Hi there, today I'm going to be demonstrating the brand new Eufy lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner. This is a lightweight cordless upright style vacuum cleaner, and it took me only 5 minutes to get the vacuum out of the box and assembled. All you need to do is attach the handle right here using a flathead screwdriver, and then you just snap the head of the vacuum in down here. And then it took me about 10 minutes or so extra to mount the wall bracket that this sits in, just because you have to get your drill out and use anchors so it stays in the wall. And I mounted mine in my laundry room because there was an outlet right there. The directions said to start out with a full charge, so I plugged it in and brought it up to a full charge in just under about 2 hours. Then I was able to vacuum the kitchen, entryway rugs, and the main living room area of my home. And when I was done, I still had 3 out of 4 bars left on the battery indicator. So I think this is going to be really great on battery life. My absolute favorite thing about this vac are the 4 super bright LED lights that will light up and let you see underneath your furniture or underneath the toe kicks in your kitchen cabinets. So you can see the dirt, which means you can get the dirt and your house is going to be cleaner. I also like that it has a super easy to empty dirt cup, and all you do is take this over to your trash can and release it right here, and the dirt falls out really easily. So I like that. And it also has a HEPA filter, which is great if you have a house full of people that suffer from allergies like I do. So all in all, this is a great vacuum. It moves around the furniture really well with it has like a swivel head on it, and I'll demonstrate it more for you in a minute. And also I found this was really easy to push even on my Berber style carpet, and the suction was really great too. So I give this vacuum a perfect score. So now I'm going to show you how it works underneath the furniture and around my carpeted and my wood floor areas. So there's the lights, looking pretty good, right? Got some dirt here on the carpet, some glitter, some Christmas. So basically picks up whatever it goes over. It goes underneath furniture really nice, around the furniture legs really easily. I just love this little light on here. Lets you go underneath furniture pretty far. You can get under there pretty far. So I'll take it over to the hardwood floor so you can see how that works. You can see some dirt under here. The lights are lighting it up, and we're going to just get that dirt up off the floor. Thanks for watching.